Edo State Police Command don declare one Ebony Rachael wanted for defamation and cyberbullying wey she do against one Mr. FESTUS ALENKHE wey be chairman for Nigerian Union of Journalists Edo State chapter. The police published this report for their special bulletin wey dem released on the 3rd of April 2023. For im tok with tori pipo, the police PRO Chidu Wambuzo kon tok say the Commissioner of the Police Command, CP Mohammed Adamu Dankwara, don receive the official petition from FESTUS ALENKHE wey be the current chairman of NUJ concerning one Rachael Ebony wey dey use the internet take dey spoil FESTUS ALENKHE name, saying they use wayo for women wey dey obodo oyibo take collect their money and run leave them. Una go remember say 13th of February for 2023, the police PRO Chidu Wambuzo tell tori pipo say dem go investigate the matter. Consti tok say during the investigation, other officers and men of the anti-kidnapping and cybercrime unit come do check for the matter. Consti say the tifi jankoriko wey be Rachael Ebony after 1 month wey dem take chook mouth for the matter, come go open another Obubuyeye Facebook account take dey talk to people say she be FESTUS ALENKHE.
It would be recalled that on the 11th of January 2023, the Commissioner of Police, Edo State Police Command, CP Mohammed Adamu Dankwara, received official petition from one Mr. FESTUS ALENKHE JP, the current chairman of NUJ Benin, against one Rachael Ebony who used the internet space to bull and stalk and even defile his character. That he used to woe women, especially ladies in abroad, claim a heavy or a huge amount of money and later dumped them. This we did officially on the 13th of February 2023 by assembling the gentlemen of the press to brief the good people of Edo State and the general public about this particular case.
Now this one can make the matter serious. Join the one wey make the police they call on the general public, say make them dey careful for social media, and say those Facebook account name na handwork of Rachael Ebony no be FESTUS ALENKHE get am. A consti tok say Ebony they live for Canada, and say anybody wey get correct informate to take catch the Ebony anytime she come Naija, that person go collect ogbonge awu for 5 million naira. E con drop police control telephone number for people wey no wan show face for the matter.
As the investigation progresses, the officers and men of the anti-kidnapping and cybercrime unit expanded this investigation, and through their investigation it was revealed that some weeks, some months after our interview here with you people on the 13th of February 2023, the suspect, who based abroad, Canada to be precise, went out of her way and created different Facebook accounts and used them to continue bullying on the complainant. In fact, she used the complainant photo to create these Facebook accounts, and all the messages she translated was as though Mr. FESTUS ALENKHE JP was the one transmitting those messages. That brings to mind impersonation, adding to the previous charges. We want to let people to know about this, that those Facebook accounts created by this suspect, Rachael Ebony was not the handiwork of our complainant, Mr. Festus Alekhe JP, that she did it to create the awareness that Festus was the one speaking to the people, and actually to make people believe that Festus Alekhe was the suspect. We want to say here that information reaching us through the investigation is that our suspect, Rachael Ebony Rachael, is based abroad, Canada. And we want to say here that anybody with the information regarding to her presence in Nigeria when she will come to Nigeria, that information will be entertained. The Office of the Commissioner of Police is there. The Office of the Police Public Relations Officer is there. The Office of the people who are investigating, that is the officers and men of the Anti-Kidnapping and Cybercrime Unit, is equally open for such information, and the informant will be rewarded. We don't need to know you. We don't need to know you. If there is any way you can pass the information secretly to us through phone, you can pass it to my phone as the Police Public Relations Officer, 08033726625. Then to the command secret room, you can pass it to 08077773721.
From Edo State Police Command, Ekata Ojesele, TMC TV News.